This video gives a quick demonstration of the FHOSS shutter door system. When the door is closed, a FHOSS field detection camera placed at the top of the door will constantly scan for vehicles. If it detects a vehicle, the system will alert pedestrians and vehicles in the vicinity. It will flash red FHOSS halo lights, an illuminated beacon, a projected message that warns of potential damage, and trigger an audible alarm. When the vehicle has left the detection zone, the system will reset to normal. When the door is open, the system will trigger green FHOSS halo lights, and a different projected message with a warning to pedestrians that vehicles are moving through that area. When the door closes again, the system will reset. In the event that the door is left halfway down, due to operator error or otherwise, the system will flash red FHOSS halo lights, an illuminated beacon, a projected message that warns of potential damage, and trigger an audible alarm. When the door has been closed fully, the system will reset. If it suits your requirements, the FHOSS Field Plus package allows you to take advantage of our cloud-based evidence locker. When a detection takes place, the video footage will be uploaded online, where you can access live view, incident evidence, and use custom dashboards to make your data as effective as possible.